Good morning students. In today's video we will see Synfig practicals, that is what kind of practicals we are doing in Synfig, that we will see one by one. So first of all we will see the list of practicals that we can do in our syllabus. Here practicals we will be learning, that is simple image drawing. Here we are simply creating different images without any animation, right? So it is just for the practicing the tools. So what kind of images we can draw? That is flower, natural scene, joker face, car, school bus, etc. Second part is simple animations. In this animation we are creating simple 5 second 2 seconds animations like bouncing ball, revolving star, color transition in object, gradient effect into the circle, right? And third part is multi-layer animations. Here we are creating different animations like motion on a specified path, picture slideshow, spotlight effect. Now all these animations, all these practicals we will do one by one in a practical session. Okay, so let's start with the first. So here we will start with first practical. We will create a flower. Before we start, let us resize our canvas. So click here, canvas, properties. Here I am changing the size 800 by 600. Apply. Okay. From navigation I can zoom out the canvas screen, select rectangle tool and create a light color background. Okay, now we will create first of all a circle with a red color. Now select SP-line tool and select a region layer from here and select the color of petals. Suppose I am selecting orange color and we will start creating. Okay, now we will give the smooth curves here. Okay, you can see here I have created a flower shape. You can create your own way. Okay, now I will create a stem over here. So select green color and again select SP-line tool. Right click and loop SP-line. Okay, now we will give again the smooth curves over here. Now this is somehow it will look. Now we want to create grass over here. So again I am selecting SP-line tool, selecting green color, another light green color, and from here I can select a plant layer, removing this layer and creating a grass over here. You can see a grass is created. I can increase the size of the grass like this. Okay, so this is the simple practical of creating a flower. Okay, now our next practical is creating a natural scene. So again I will resize my canvas. Now here for background I'll select the gradient. From that gradient I'll select the linear gradient and select the color. One color is yellow and other color is orange. Okay, let's see. Reverse the gradient effect. Okay, so this is my background. Now I'll create mountain over here. So I'm selecting color, SP-line tool. Now here I am selecting region, removing this and creating a mountain like this. It's very simple. As we know that the part which is outside the canvas will not be visible, so I am creating a mountain like this. Now we will give the smooth curve over here like this. Okay, now we will create sun. So how can we create sun? Select the red color and select star, not circle. I am selecting star and creating a sun over here. Now you can see the star has only 5 points. I am increasing the point from layer panel, params panel, 0.5. I am changing it to 120. Okay, you can see a sun is created. Same way, if you want to create a cloud, again for cloud I am selecting any color and selecting circle. Okay, you can see here. Now I want to create birds. For that I'll select simply a polygon tool. I'll select black color and zoom in my canvas. Simply click, click, click. Okay, same way again. Now zoom out the scene and you can see. Okay, now I want to create a tree over here. So again I'll select SP-line tool. From here I'll select the trunk color. I'll select the dark color and start creating. You can see my trunk is created. I can give the smooth curves over here. Okay. Now we will create plants. Now we will create leaves over this tree. So select SP-line tool again, select the color of leaf and select the plant layer instead of region and start creating. And we can join at any point. Loop SP-line. There are so many points, so we have to wait for a while. You can see leaves are created. Okay, so this is how you can create many other things in the natural scene. right? We can see the preview. Again here I have to change the quality 1, FPS 24. Preview. You can see my natural scene will look like this. You can create a river over here using SP-Line tool only. Okay, so this is all about the natural scene. Okay, thank you.